the input, farm input, is extremely critical commodity for food security in the Republic of Kenya. The President and his government, they are committed to food security. And if there is anybody within the Ministry of Agriculture who is responsible of the fake fertilizer, of substandard fertilizer, within the depots of National Cereal Board across the nation, that person should resign from the ministry immediately. Even if it's Rinturi, seriously, Rinturi, you have to work. You have to be in charge of your ministry. The PS, you have to be in charge of what you are doing. We should not be having claims of fake fertilizers in the Republic of Kenya. And it's a shame when the president is working day and night to ensure kuna fertilizer kutoka huko ngambo, inafika Mombasa, inafika Nairobi, inafika Ishara, then there are middlemen people who are intercepting this fertilizer to dilute it with soil, with I don't know what. The Minister of Agriculture, C.S. Rinturi, please take responsibility. We cannot, not even a single minute, joke with the full security of the nation of the Republic of Kenya. Tumeteseka wakati kulikuwa na njaa. The government had a big charge to ensure the price of unga, 2 kg, comes down from 260 to 100 shilling at the moment. Then kuna watu ambao katika serikali ambao wazingatii yale ambao serikali imeweka sawa sawa, ili tuone ya kwamba ile fertilizer ambayo iko sawa ndio inafikia wananchi. And then we continue protecting such kind of individuals as a parliament of Kenya. We will not. And if it comes to summoning them and even moving motion of impeachment in parliament, we are ready to stand with the people of the Republic of Kenya. For the ministers who are there to make money, please do your job properly. Your responsibility is not to do business with the full security of the nation. Your responsibility is to ensure there is proper quality fertilizer to each and every farmer in all corners of the Republic.
Now, aikari aituraria bobo wadine ya Elementaita Gilgil go kone county ya